Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how the Earth formed, and basically the whole solar system formed. And we're going to use the same app as usual. Let's see here. Come on. Okay. My sunshine, my only sunshine. Undo. So first there was this. So you should know how a star forms, but if you don't, it's basically a cloud of superheated gas that the sun will leave in the end of its lifetime. So it looks like this, all like this. So this guy, he just exploded. So and he should leave behind a tiny, well, that's not tiny. He should leave behind a tiny white dwarf, which is right there. So that's what should happen. And there's like this supernova shockwave that comes out. So if I want to draw that, it would be like, and this would keep going out further and further. And so this collision, this shockwave. So this shockwave here, that shockwave that you just saw, they ram into this giant pillar. So if that's like a pillar, and of course these are trillions of miles long, or also trillions of kilometers long. Trillions. So when, and these are actually called the pillars of creation. When that shockwave reaches them, it's expanding this way. These will compress. So if I wanted to draw that, so these will compress and they'll form a star. So because they're heavy enough, fusion can occur. And say that's the sun, that's the early sun. And there are no planets yet. There's like an accretion disk around it. Whenever a star forms, they leave behind an accretion disk as well. So if I just copy that, I might need that. See, I can just get it from here. Ta-da! And then I can make it bigger, make it smaller, turn it around. Good, I have 2 stars now. So there's this accretion disk around the star. And if you go back about 4.6 billion years ago, I'll show you what the Earth looks like. So, and of course, this is a little speck of dust. This is specks of dust. This speck of dust, which will eventually become the Earth, join with other specks of dust, like this one, and this one. But how do they attract? Gravity is a strong force, but it's not strong enough yet, because the bond between this here, the bond between this one here and this one here hasn't yet formed. It has to get bigger to attract stuff to it. So there's initially no gravity. So how do they come together? Well, it's called electromagnetic force. So, like when you rub a balloon on your shirt and your hair sticks up to it if you hold it above your head, and the same force is like if you rub a balloon on your head and then put it on the table, it will collect a few dust particles. 2 dust particles will collide together because of this electromagnetic force. So they will attract. So eventually they'll become this big mess. So eventually they'll become this big swirling whatever stuff. Okay, whatever. And yeah, I get it. They're different colors. Anyway, that's good. So they'll become this big ball of stuff. And how'd they turn to rock? Well, it's called cosmic lightning. So when a lightning bolt strikes it will glow really hot, like super hot. You won't know how hot it is. Well, it will glow. So after that, it will glow and form this rock that's right here. Well, of course, it's not that big. There we go. Circle it. Whatever. So this rock is now big enough to attract other rocks towards it. And now the process gets a lot faster because instead of just randomly bumping into other rocks, they're trying to pull stuff towards it. So after a while, it becomes really big, like really big. But it hasn't taken on the form of a planet yet. How does it become round? Any photo you look up. So why don't we just do that now? Asteroid photo. If you ever look up a photo of an asteroid, they're all lumps of stuff. And there's a skull. See? Okay, whatever. Get rid of this. How does it become round, like the Earth? Well, that's a completely different process. Well, it's kind of the same process. So, why did the Earth become round? Well, the gravity from its own thing started crushing itself in. And it basically just, since rock cannot be destroyed, it just forms the most convenient shape, round, right? The next part we'll have to save for another video. See you at howtodosewithethan.com, and if you don't, visit my website. See you next time on the next video. Well, which I'll explain how the moon was formed and why the Earth didn't die from an almost fatal collision. Bye. Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you anyway. Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan. That was bad. Never mind. Cut. Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you. Wait, what was I going to be showing you? Oh, whatever. Cut. Oh. Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you... that was bad. Let me wipe my mouth. Oh,